We will. Hey there, I'm Rita.
And I'm Benita, and we want to invite you to our live podcast called Live in the Salon with Benita and Rita on October 27th, 2024.
And our topic for this month of October is the power of sisterhood. It is time that we figure out who we're supposed to be friends with, because everybody that talk to us ain't necessarily our friend. And so what we want to do, I can do that too. What we want to do is to begin to have authentic, amazing conversations. And you know, there's nobody any more authentic than the two of us.
Yeah.
And so to be able to sit in the audience and respond to our questions and to have just this amazing conversation is where we're going with this.
Yes, we're excited. So find us on Eventbrite.
That's right.
Or at Rita's website, which is
www.ritaricks.com, and it's called Live with Benita and Rita. We want to see you on the 27th of August. We want you to be at our launch.
Cheers.
Cheers.